Good morning, what's going on? This is Will with Priority Exterior Cleaning. Today we are out here in Brandon, Mississippi. What we have going on is a house wash. And we're cleaning eaves around the house and gutters. We use what's called our soft wash method. This method is safe and effective and actually does a better job cleaning these surfaces. We're not using high damage and pressure to blast off the mildew and algae, but rather using a proprietary blend of cleaning solutions that we have found to work best. A lot of people ask us, how do we get by without using ladders to get these high peaks like this? With our soft washing system, we are capable of shooting 35 to 40 feet in the air. I'll give y'all a demonstration of how this works. And the soft wash system's generally about 60 to 120 psi. Show y'all how it works. If you're ever interested in using us as your exterior cleaning business, you can give us a call at 601-966-0731. Get this going and turned on. No problem. Get it. Get it to the top. Not blasting the paint off. We're simply soaking the areas that are going to be cleaned. After we let the solution dwell for about 5 minutes, we come back with the same amount of pressure and rinse it off. This is actually the preferred method that homeowners like to use because other contractors or quote-unquote pressure washing companies use high damage and pressure and end up having to pay to have their stuff fixed. We don't want that. We are fully insured. We specialize in commercial and residential exterior cleaning in the area. If you're interested in learning more about us, you can check us out at www.priorityexteriorcleaning.com, or you can give us a call. Again, our number is 601-966-0731. Thank y'all and have a great day.